In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero Advisor course certification. To get started, open your web browser and go to central.xero.com. This is the Xero Central homepage where you can access training, support, and certification resources. Once the page loads, log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details for your Xero account so you can access the learning area without interruptions. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. After logging in, head to the Learning section. From there, navigate to Certifications. This is where Xero organizes its official training paths and professional learning programs. Take a moment to look around this area because it's where you'll find the certification options available to you. For this process, you'll want to locate the Advisor Core certification. Once you find Advisor Core, go ahead and enroll in the course. This certification includes interactive learning modules designed to help you build practical knowledge of the platform. As you work through the content, you'll cover important topics such as sales, bank reconciliation, and reports. These are core areas that are especially useful if you'll be using Xero regularly or supporting clients with their bookkeeping and accounting workflows. When you're completing the modules, it's a good idea to move through them carefully rather than rushing. The interactive format is meant to help you understand not just where features are located, but also how they're used in real tasks. Pay close attention to the examples and explanations in each section, because they can make the final assessment much easier. After you've completed all of the required modules, the final step is to take the assessment. This is the exam you'll need to pass in order to earn your certification. Before starting, make sure you've reviewed the key concepts from the training, especially the sections on sales workflows, reconciling bank transactions, and using reports effectively. Being familiar with these topics will help you feel more confident during the exam. Once you pass the assessment, you'll earn your Xero Advisor course certification. That's the full process from start to finish. Log into Xero Central, go to Learning and then Certifications, enroll in Advisor Core, complete the interactive modules, and pass the final assessment. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be on your way to becoming certified in Xero.